Hello there guys, it's Mike Strong, M&L Motors, Safety, Security and Tracking Installations in West Sussex. What I want to just have a quick chat to you about this morning is your van security. We just want to show you a few things that we've done to our own van. I want to give you an idea of some security options that are available to you for your vehicles. So if we start off with, we've got a 2013 Renault Trafic here. As you can see, we've got deadlocks on the cab doors, and we've also got our electronic OBD protection, and on this vehicle as well we've also installed a CAN bus alarm system which works from the original Renault key fob, so we don't need any additional remote controls or anything like that. So if we just give you a bit of a demonstration on what we've got here. So first of all, we've got the disarms the alarm, and then we've got to get into the vehicle, we have to unlock the deadlock. That allows us into the vehicle. If we come round to the passenger side, again we got the same sort of thing. We got our multi-lock deadlock on the cab door. That just prevents people from ripping the door handles off, getting access to the mechanism. They might be able to do that, but they're not going to be able to open the door. Imagine the deadlock is on. The door, it's got the door secured. It just opens just 1 or 2 millimeters. It's not going to open any further than that. So then if we just move on to the side loading door on this vehicle, we've done something a little bit special with this. We've actually got our high security replacement slam plates with the multi-lock cylinder built into that. So there is actually no handle here anymore. If that's what the original handle looked like. There is no handle anymore. It's just a steel blank, and then inside the door there's a big steel plate that follows the profile of this door. So even if they was to punch a screwdriver through the door to try and get to the rods and the locking mechanism, they're not going to get through the door. What they're going to do is they're going to punch a hole in the door and they're going to hit a nice thick steel plate, completely shielding all the lock mechanisms. So just with the deadlock, I'll just show you. So we got the one key that operates in the deadlock. The same key also operates the slam lock as well. But on this side loading door, there's also a new craze that's being carried out by thieves at the moment. Is what they're doing is they're actually getting their fingers in the tops of the doors here, standing on the side of the door here with their feet, and forcibly folding down the entire top of the side door. It's a particularly nasty attack, absolutely ruining vehicles, and unfortunately it doesn't actually require them to actually break into the vehicle, because the actual weak point in the vehicle here is here. There's nothing holding this door shut other than the actual integrity of the door itself. So what we've done with this is we've actually fitted an ultimate van lock here. This is actually set up as a deadlock. We can supply this as a slam lock. We've decided on this vehicle to prevent the door folding type attacks, is we fitted it a high level on here. If we give you a quick demonstration of that. So what we would need to do, because we've got the slam lock down here and this is a deadlock, so we just need to unlock the deadlock, and then that allows us to use that, and we can just open the door right up, no problems at all. What we also want to show you as well is we've also, for extra security, we've just added a high level switch in here, so that if somebody was to come along, if that lock wasn't here, they was to come along, they was to get their fingers in there, the moment they get their fingers in there to try and fold that door down, it's going to set the alarm off. And then if we just show you around the back here, what we've done, exactly the same sort of thing. We've got the slam plate here, which again works from the single multi-lock key. That will open, and again, once again, we've got the ultimate van lock at high level on the doors, just to, again, it's another attack that's been carried out, the folding of the door down. And once again, this is also set up as a deadlock. We just unlock that. We use the key and the slam plate to open the door. There we go with that. And if we was to lock that, try and open it, obviously the ultimate keeps it locked. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're looking for some vehicle security. Come and talk to us at M&L Motors, safety, security and tracking. We can provide and install all this type of thing on your vehicle. We've got a number of options available. If you don't like the surface mounted locks, we can do the deadlocks, the slam locks, the ultimates. We can actually supply something similar to this. It's not the ultimate, it's called the armour shell, but it uses the same cylinders as the multi-locks. So what we could actually have done with this vehicle is we could have had the deadlock, the slam lock and the armour shell, not the ultimate. If we had the armour shell, we could all have all of those locks operating from a single key. Something you might be interested in, get in touch with us. M&L Motors, we're in Littlehampton in West Sussex. Thanks for watching.